Natin from Pangasinan, Angeline Birinya, ang ating world champion. World champion ba or Asian champion?
Asian champion po.
Asian champion. Pero sa worlds,
Silver medalist.
silver. So congratulations muna first of all. How does it feel to receive this award?
Thank you po.
Ano, how does it feel na ma-receive yung award? Hindi pa tayo tapos eh.
Yes po. Overwhelmed po kasi hindi ko po in-expect na kasama po ko sa major awards and isa pa po na nakasama rin po ko sa Olympic Sports Award 2020.
Okay, so what's the latest sa inyo? Sa ating Pangasinan team. Kamusta ang training ngayon?
As of now po, continuous po yung training namin sa Baguio.
Pero ang ano yung tinatarget ninyo mga pag-aanda ng competitions ngayong taon?
This year po is Asian Championship po and SEA Games 2026.
Alright.
2025.
Alright, so what defines you as a sportswoman? And last question na po. What defines you as a sportswoman? Anong definition mo?
Ang definition po sa akin ng sportswoman is being confident of who you are and skills what you have.
Alright, so magpasalamat ka na sa mga taga-suporta, especially ang ating NSA natin.
Nagpapasalamat po ko sa Philippine Sports Commission and especially po sa Philippine Penchak Silat Association for this award.
Alright, thank you so much, Angeline. More power, more blessings. God bless.